Hey, what's going on YouTube? So in today's video, I got a fun one. I'm going to show you guys from beginning to end. For those of you who are just getting your PS5, which is what is in this box here, I'm going to show you how to set it up. I just got a new one and it's going to replace my PS4, so I'm going to show you guys how to do the whole transfer process from beginning to end. Sony's been dropping a lot lately and the holidays are coming up in a few months. So you'll probably, hopefully, be able to get your hands on one. And once you do, you'll know all the things that you need to do first. So let's get started. Let's get this thing open. Play like never before. Let's get it more open. So everything is packed pretty secure. You have a little box here. Control in here, we got the power cable, quick start guide, safety guide, the mount and the HDMI cable. Of course, let's crack this thing open. This is pretty much it. So what to expect for like actual like packaging and securing a PlayStation. I also feel like if you were rough enough, like really tossing around packages, definitely something can get broken, but I don't see a problem because it's in this thick cardboard box, so it doesn't have a lot of space to move, so you should actually be fine with this packaging. Alright, so now that we got the PS5 unboxed, the next thing we gotta do is take apart the PS4, get it ready, because we're gonna do a transfer. I believe you can transfer by Wi-Fi and Ethernet. I'm going to use Ethernet. I have a cable laying around, so it's going to be a lot faster that way. So next thing we're going to do is get the PS4 all ready. Alright, now what y'all been waiting for? Just a fun fact, this screen, you're only going to see it one time ever when you turn on your PS5. You'll never see it again because it's only shown during setup, so pay close attention. That was pretty cool. Now let's get started with the setup. Follow the guide, but I usually do it to taste. So I'll follow the guide this time, just for the video. Insert a game disc. We actually don't have a game disc, so I don't own those anymore. I guess we just wait then. Let's update the system software. I don't care for details, it's the newest one with the NVMe. And the 3D audio for your TV if you're curious. Now that the PS5 is updated, we're going to go and power on again. And actually get started with the transfer part, which is probably going to take the longest. So I'm going to stop here so I can do the online sign in. You can see here what I was talking about. I'm all signed in now. Don't enable. I'm not going to set it to primary for now. And here we have it. Transfer data to PS4. Continue. We're probably going to do the wired cable transfer because I don't want to be sitting here forever. So let me go ahead and get things connected now. Alright, so I'm showing y'all I got the PS5 connected to the network, that big black network wire just all hanging out on the floor. And I'm gonna go here and we have the PS4 connected into the router. I'm sure you can see what's going on there. And now that we got both, Device is powered on. Let's continue. Searching for PS4. I just turned it on, so it may take a few seconds or a minute to find it. I'm not sure how good that system is. It just auto switched to the PS4, so let's put it back to PS5. And I don't think that, I guess what I'm really saying is I don't think that was part of the process. Nope, auto switching again. Doesn't want to go. I have the HDMI CEC feature on, if you're wondering why that keeps happening. Can't find your PS4. It's turned on. Let's continue now. It's actually on. Please wait. Okay, this is good. PS4 OG. Alright. From the time I press the power button on the PlayStation for 1 second until it beeps. Interesting. Okay, let's do the beep. $29.5 gigs. So we're definitely going to do custom. This is actually really good because I definitely don't want all the games to transfer over. Which games am I actually going to play? Or at least play now is the more important question. I still play this once in a while. I could easily re-download Fall Guys. I'm just trying to download or transfer over the beefy games, I guess. You can use this PS4 game. Alright, so I guess I'll have to re-download this because this is the PS4 version. I'll do Risk of Rain. And I'll also do Dead Army, actually. So we got 78 gigs. I think this is a real enough scenario for y'all. We're doing the Ethernet transfer. Let's see how long this thing takes. Estimated time 44 minutes. Step 1, step 2. So let's go back. Let's make that a little fun. I'd rather re-download games than like sit here through a transfer, especially since I just want y'all to see it all. So this is small, this is big, and alright, we don't need that. Let's see, how about this? 22 minutes, alright. It's a lot more doable. Alright, we're logged in now. That seemed a little too fast. I saw 22 minutes, so let's go ahead and check. The control center is just a tour. I'll go through the tour really quick. Yep, you got this. Activities. You got controls, which you can now actually freely maneuver with the newest update and like remove, I think, almost everything now. And you got your friends and parties. I really wish game base evolves fast, and it's a nightmare to use. Anyway, let's see. We got any activity, any downloads, or anything like that? Nope. We got no activity. I checked in the wrong place. And there we go. Okay, we can see data transfer for PS4. That's pretty cool. I didn't do a data transfer for my first PS5. I just straight up just started it from scratch. And I can see here that it's going to take 9 minutes. It's nice that they let you use it in the meantime, because there are some settings you also need to go through, okay? So first, we're gonna go to settings. We're not gonna touch network, but we are gonna go to system, and we just wanna make sure that features available in rest mode. I know we picked that optimized feature package earlier, but I just wanna make sure everything's good. I'd rather leave it always in case I plug something in. I don't think it's a huge deal. Yes, and yes. Okay. I put 10 minutes. If I'm gone for 10 minutes, let my controller take a break. It works like this. You press the PlayStation button on your controller, and as long as your TV supports HDMI CEC, it will auto switch over to PS5 input. If it's HDMI 4, it'll go to HDMI 4. But this makes it so that when you turn off the PS5, it turns off the TV. So I'm gonna turn it off because usually I'll like watch YouTube or Netflix afterwards. Software update settings. Download automatic, install automatic. Perfect, that's what I want. right, we're all good here. The next thing I want to check out is going to be here. This is going to be your game app settings. And what we're going to do is this. We want to change the game presets. And this is all preference, but I like to change mine all to performance mode. If a game supports 120 Hertz, I want it to be 120 Hertz. Performance mode will try to focus on FPS versus the image quality. But essentially, performance mode will go for the highest FPS possible. If it supports 120, it'll aim for that. Kind of says it here, but I just wanted to explain it a little more. A game like Fortnite, which I play, this will bump it up to 120 Hertz. Again, if your actual TV or monitor supports it, okay? And if the game supports it. I'm not sure what this is. It seems like a future feature kind of thing. Or maybe for this feature, let me go back out really quick. Explore, because they do a lot of news updates now. And maybe it's so that you don't see spoiler-ish related stuff here, but I have no idea how that works or how they're actually gonna like vet that stuff. Whatever. Let's go back to the settings. Let's do one more quick check. I think we're good, but just want to make sure. Sound. Again, this is all preference. I like my microphone actually to be mute when I start, just in case. That's pretty much it for the actual PlayStation settings, okay? So let's go ahead and check up on that data transfer. 4 minutes left. So we're just gonna skip ahead and check that out in a little bit. One last thing on performance mode in 120 FPS. Your TV needs to support HDMI 2.1 and 120 Hertz mode to get the best effect there. I have a separate video you can check out my channel about how to go through your TV settings and actually make sure you're all set in that department. So we're now all complete here, and we can see that Dead Army transferred, Risk of Rain transferred. I'm gonna load into Risk of Rain real quick. I wanna make sure all my data actually transferred. So yeah, it looks like it worked actually. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful. I just wanted to make something helpful for future PS5 players who are coming from PlayStation 4. Show you all how to do the data transfer. I haven't really seen a ton of videos about that. A lot have been about the NVMe hardware lately, so I just wanted to help you guys out. If you enjoy my content, go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna keep making more content like this. I actually got a few cool videos coming out. I got a whole blacked out PS5 theme with accessories and all that stuff going. And I got a few unboxings, including a cheap, affordable, well, alright, I'm gonna say cheaper NVMe drive coming soon. And again, thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Drop some comments if you have any questions or just want to say hi. And that's it. See you in the next one. Peace.